And then let's go over and let's use our the brush tool. Now, something to be aware of with the brush tool, which you can get to by using B, just like in Photoshop. There's the paintbrush tool and the blob brush. The paintbrush, when I click on this, what I'm doing is I'm creating a line here without a fill. I can, if I hold down Option C, what that line is creating, and I can make so I can kind of create some little, that's not very good, some little curlicue items here. Something to be aware of though, if I make this larger and I just want to, let's say that I want to just draw with this normally, and then I kind of fill this in with a very large brush here. And I just fill this in with a very large brush here. You'll see that even though it looks like I'm filling this in, what's actually happening when I let go, like we're just using, I don't know, crayons or something like that. If I click on this now, you can see that this is actually a whole bunch of points. This is no good. That's not what we want. If you ever want to fill in an object, you want to use the Blob Brush tool, which is right here. The Blob Brush tool is very similar, but what it's doing, even though it's going to take the color of the stroke here, once you're done, it's actually going to turn that, when I click on it, into a fill. All right, so the Blob Brush tool fills. Let's do this again just so you guys can see. That is a line, you can see, and the Blob Brush tool, which I'm using Shift B to get to the Blob Brush tool. This is a filled object. So that's the difference between the two, and you really need to be aware of both of those.